Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this braid out, stay tuned.
I know how to go and get a bag, don't I? I know how to get a bitch mad, don't I? Make my ex wanna get it back, that's a fact. Say it louder for the bitches in the back. Yeah, bagging it up. I'm the queen of talking shit.
Sectioning off my hair, that way I can start detangling my hair. And what I'll be using to detangle my hair is the Design Essentials Cuckoo Eye and Coconut Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Alright, now I'm all done detangling my hair. So next, I'll start by adding my moisturizer. First is a Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've been using this since I have went natural, and it's really amazing. Keeps my hair moisturized. So just take a little bit and then just apply it to your hair. Try to work it through. And next, for my defining gel, So now I'm just going to section off a little bit of my hair. And next I'll be using my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. I really love this custard because it really defines my hair. I find that I have to apply 2 different moisturizers, so usually a smoothie and then like a custard or a gel to get a good hold. And you guys can see now it did give me some good definition. So what I'll start doing now, just sectioning off my hair to start braiding it. And sorry guys, I know I'm going a little bit fast. I will slow it down in just a second. So just doing the same thing on this side, sectioning off my hair, making sure I detangle one last time, applying my Manuka Honey Custard and working that through. Then again, guys, just sectioning off my hair into 3 pieces so that I can prepare to braid it. I'm not really good with explaining how to braid if you don't know how to. So if you just want to pay attention closely and see how I achieved it. And I do like to smooth my hair as well as I'm braiding it, just to make sure everything is nice and smooth and still detangled. So my hair is all dry. Well, most of it's all dry. There were little wet spots, but now I'm going to be taking down my hair. You guys didn't see, but I did use some grapeseed oil, put a little bit in my hands, and then just dab it on my hair. It does prevent frizzing. Although for me it's not inevitable, it does help prevent frizz when taking down your hair. I separate my braid outs, twist outs, etc. I just try to separate it and twirl the hair strand around my finger as best as I can. Sometimes I section it really small, sometimes medium, whatever you prefer. Obviously, the smaller that you separate your hair strands, I think the more definition you'll have, and it'll definitely be bigger. Just depends on what you see fit. But here I am, and as you can see, I was in a rush, you guys, and I did small, I did big, it really didn't matter. My results. So if you liked this video and this tutorial, please do like my video, comment, and please subscribe. I will be back with more videos, and not just hair videos, all other types of videos. So you guys make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I keep posting my videos, and comment. Please comment. I will respond. See you later.